I'm here to present why we think to start with the project of this yacht range. This is because in the last 3 years, the yacht market is changed. There are some new demands from the owners. For example, they ask more space, more lights, more comfort in the boat, more safety, and more nautical miles range. But at the same, they want less fuel consumption, less pollutant emission, and overall, less maintenance cost. Then the yacht industry is changing route to satisfy this request. The Dominator answer is the new Ilumen range that is a new era in luxury yachting. There are 4 models for now, 26, 28, 32 and 36 meter, that are a perfect combination between advanced technical features and stunning exterior and interior design. In this project, design and engineering were merged to optimize the living spaces and integrate the aesthetic shape with the hydrodynamics and structural requirements. On the 26 meter, we have 3 or 4 VIP cabins layout in the lower deck, plus 1 exclusive owner suite on the main deck with a private boat terrace. Then, in this small boat, we have about 35% more space and volumes in respect of the other yacht of the same length. To design this boat, we use a rational approach that is a bit strange, because for a 26-meter yacht, we use the technology that normally is used for big ships or military vessels. And in the small boat, only in the race boat, for example. In fact, we have over 10,000 hours of engineering in progress to complete all the advanced technical features of this boat. And we use the most innovative techniques and the most innovative design process to achieve the best solution for all the technical aspects of this boat. For example, the boat is completely modeled in 3D. Not only the shape, but all, from the exteriors to the interiors, from the engine room to the stringers. All the surfaces are developed in detail to analyze the space and the ergonomics. For example, the detailed engine room 3D design was done to reach the best position of the machinery and to arrange the space in a rational way. To make the maintenance easy, all the technical spaces are completely inspected, and all the hatch are with any interference with the complex interior shape. Starting from the total 3D model, the advanced design approach combined with intensive use of ultimate software allows to create a fully immersive virtual reality experience, an incredible tool for engineers in order to verify space and choice. But at the same time, is an incredible way for customer to feel the experience and the sensation to walking inside the boat. This is the first fully immersive virtual reality experience in the global luxury industry. In fact, this night, Dominators is in the short list for the best marketing award. Regarding the weight, that is the most important things on a boat. The engineering design has been characterized by study and analysis of the weight in dips, optimizing with enhanced prediction methods in the first stage. And in fact, in the executive design, an extensive study of choice of all the materials was done to reduce the total weight of the boat, but in a rational way, to respect the correct position of the center of gravity, for example. And to the vertical position, the same, because the engineering has been focused to guarantee a grid static and dynamic stability. And this is not an easy target for a yacht like the Ilumen with the height and the standard superstructure. Regarding the hull, a massive use of CFD tools with mathematical optimization algorithms has made it's possible to simulate the behavior in still water and around sea, together with wake optimization in order to reduce the pitch and minimize the power request. The result of this optimization is the HPH hull. Is a particularly archine hull with a blade bulbous bow, designed to have a very small resistance values for all the semi-displacement and semi-planing phase, to 12 up to 26 knots. This is the workflow used for the optimization. In the first step, we study appropriate meshing system and boundary condition to perform the VSCOPE CFD simulation. In the second step, we study an optimization process to reduce the resistance and make an integration between these algorithms with the possibility to use this in multi-speed at the same time. At the end, we designed the hull, the best hull on the paper for our experience, and then put the hull in the algorithms to start with the optimization procedure. Only to have a fast example, the hull was parameterized, dividing into 10 frames, every frame with 4 control points. We linked the two extremity at the edge and have free only the two central, allowing the optimizer the opportunity to move these 2 points to find the best shape. The same for the bulbous that has been divided into 2 surfaces, one flat constrained to the bottom, and another split in 4 frames, the same for the bottom, equipped with 3 different points. Then the optimization prepared 500 different solutions that are very similar by eye, but with different hydrodynamics parameters. We put inside 47 geometric constraints were imposed on the shape to allow the necessity of interior space, weight budget, and most important, center of gravity position. At the end, this is, for example, the result of the trim. We optimize a lot the longitudinal angle and the resistance value. Regarding the seakeeping optimization, the bulbous and all the bow area are designed to minimize the pitch and the roll in order to increase the safety and the comfort. In this video, you can see the Ilumen sailing at 24 knots on 3 meters wave height. At the end of the optimization, some tank tests were carried out in the University of Trieste to validate all the calculation. This is maximum speed in still water. And this is cruising speed on an ocean wave height of 4 meters. This is an example of results. As you can see, the hump, the planing hump, is really small, and we have a very good power output from 12 to over 25, 26 knots. The same for the longitudinal trim, because in all the conditions, we stay from 1.5 to 2 degrees without use of flaps or interceptor. Regarding the structure, the construction technology, from the creation of the composite shell to the complex painting process, refers to typical standard of a mega yacht. In fact, for the structure, we have developed an highly advanced structural layout with an extensive use of carbon fiber and sandwich. All the boat is built in vacuum bag with epoxy resin and post-curing. For example, this is a typical solution used for race sailing yacht, not for motor yacht. And the structure at the end were optimized with the FIM technology to improve the strength without increasing of the weight. Another example, we use a structural floor to increase the strength, in particular for torsional behavior on irregular waves. And regarding the use of the carbon, is not only to save weight, but to optimize the strength. In fact, all the flange of all the girder of all the boat are in carbon or unidirectional fibers in order to maximize the strength. Regarding the propulsion, it's normal that an extremely efficient hull needs an extremely efficient propulsion system. In fact, HPH hull has been designed to combine it with the Fortis pod produced by Rentius, that is worldwide leader in gearboxes development and production. We develop an extensive campaign of research and development together with the Rentius technicians to match pod and hull in order to optimize the performance, improving the comfort on board, and reducing the fuel consumption, the same. Regarding the pod, the counter-rotating push-pull system propeller with the rigid asymmetrical strut has been developed to cope with increased efficiency, lower emission, and maximum of comfort in a compact and space-saving design. The perfect position of the pod under the bottom of the hull and the balanced distance between the rudder and the propellers will provide excellent performance and maneuvering characteristic too. Then, in the end, due to the high efficiency of the hull and the propulsion system, Ilumen project could not miss an hybrid version. In fact, is under study in partnership with Siemens, that is a worldwide leader. And the solution under study is an hybrid propulsion with Siemens electric motors installed on the Fortis PTI, with the possibility to use them as shaft generators. Then, thank you very much, and stay tuned for the launch in the end of the next year.